If you're interested in checking your solar panels when you buy them used, with the combination of this sticker, your two wires that stick off of the panel, with a simple multimeter, we can check the voltage and we can check the short circuit current and make sure that they're good before you ever give anybody money and walk away with a bad panel again. That this panel, being 255 watts, 37.8 open circuit voltage, that means you put the meter on these two connectors with nothing else, it's just open circuit. And then you have short circuit current. This is where we connect these two together, and it should read approximately 8.66 amps. Rated current, which means when it's running at this rated MPP, this is what's going to add up to 250 watts. If you take this 8.15 amps running at an ideal 31.4 volts, that'll reach right at 2.55 watts. So once we put a little grease in these, in order to make these connections really good, then we're going to want to work that a little bit to make sure that that gets all over those connections and that that's got a good solid connection. And then we're going to clamp it together. What this is going to do is this is going to connect the panel. So once you've got this connected in a short circuit loop, then you can take your amp meter and you can set it to an amp rating that is the lowest setting you have. I have under 40 and under 400. I'm going to use the under 40 because I don't have anything that says under 15 or under 20 or something like that. But depending on your meter, you may have a lower setting, and the lower the setting, the more accurate the reading is going to be. So I'm going to set this to under 40, and then I'm going to click this button here, and you can see there it says AC, and this is going to switch it over to DC. Then what I want to do is hit the 0 button so that this is as close to 0 as I can get it. And you can see that's right there, it's pretty close. Now, so what I've been testing is doing it up here where the wire was a little bit better protected from the weather. I'm getting 5.3. So really the wire here seems to be a little worn, but the solar panel is producing.
The rating chart shows 8.66 amps, but we only received 5.21, but we're in partial light. And I think that's pretty good. It's around 175 watts. So I think this confirms that the panel's good. And I hope this helps. We'll see you on the next video.